Okay, guys, for this next part, we're going to figure out how do we solve for n, okay? How do we solve for m? How do we solve for the variable? You're just going to tell me what you need to do to both sides in order to solve for that variable, okay? These aren't in your notes, but you can look at your notes to help you figure out how you're supposed to do these, okay? So what do we do to solve for n? We have n plus a negative 9 equals 82. So to get this n by itself, what do we need to do? Do we need to add negative 9 to both sides, or do we need to subtract negative 9 from both sides? Okay, look at your notes, see what we need to do. Our next one we got here is what do you do to solve for m? We have m plus 5 6 equals 1/2. Okay, so again, think of what operations happen in between the variable and the number. Do we need to add 5 6 to both sides or subtract 5 6 from both sides to get this m by itself? Next one we got to do is what do you do to solve for a? Okay, so we have 6a equals negative 42. So what's happening between the 6 and the a? What operation is happening right there? And then how do we get it so that way that a is on by itself? Do we have to multiply 6 by both sides or divide each side by 6? Okay, think, how do you undo this? Then our last one for this is, what do we do to solve for m? We have m over 4 equals 7/8. So again, this is what it kind of looks like, so m over 4. So now, do we have to multiply each side by 4 or divide each side by 4 in order to get the m by itself? Go ahead, watch the video as many times as you need to break it down and get this done.